Hello, friends. Welcome to the channel. This video we are going to talk about the usage of caveat petition. So, benefits and how what is the procedure to follow the caveat petition, and so what is the sample format. So, everything we are going to talk about this video. So, the first of all, what is caveat petition? So, when we talk about caveat, that is awareness petition. Nothing like that. This is kind of awareness petition. So before moving to the definition, I want to tell so when the caveat petition will be in real time useful. For example, if you see that in local district court has submitted some judgment and it has to start in high court after 90 days or 180 days. So that is the timeline we have. So before that, I want to stop that judgment to be in practice. For example, the particular civil case I have filed in local court and the judgment came that has been favor of my dependent. So in that case, I am the plaintiff and and the dependent don't want to use the particular space or particular area. So I want to update the case with the awareness through caveat petition before moving to, for example, it has happened in district court. Now I am updating my case petition in high court. So this is the major purpose of caveat. So I want to be alert or else I want to be awareness. So caveat is a Latin phrase that means let a person beware. When a person has an apprehension that someone is going to file a case against him in the court, he can go for a precautionary measure. Suppose your dependent maybe file a case in high court, but before that, you are beware and started precautionary measure to create the caveat petition to stop the particular judgment or notification. So it is a notice notifying the court that another person may register a suit or application facing him that the court must provide the caveat. So this caveat petition coming which system code? See, this is section 148A under Civil Procedure Code (CPC). So what is the real-time example of caveat? So when we talk about caveat, I already mentioned. So you have to stop the police officer telling someone to stop or they will shoot. It's a kind of warning. It's a precautionary measure undertaken by an individual anticipating that another individual may file an application in a suit or proceeding instituted about to be instituted against him or her in the court. This is the kind of definition in caveat, but this is the precautionary measure. You have to be make sure it is a precautionary measure against my dependent to anticipate something should not be happen or should be happen. So what is the procedure to file the caveat or caveat petition? Caveat is lodged after the court has laid down the judgment or issued an order. So the second thing is in some exclusive cases, caveat is filed beforehand the judgment is pronounced or order is passed. As I mentioned, this caveat may be filed beforehand the judgment is pronounced or order is. Maybe the order has been passed in district court, you are filing caveat in high court. So after 90 days, fresh caveat petition can be filed. So usually caveat will be in effect for 90 days from the date of its filing. Only the 90 days. After 90 days, it will be expired and the new caveat has been registered or new caveat petition should be applied. So how do you write a caveat petition? In caveat petition, there is a procedure and the second thing is affidavit. The two things has to be added. I will show you that. So before moving to procedure and format, so who is eligible to file a caveat petition? In Civil Procedure Code or CPC, Section 148A further provides that a caveat may be filed by any person. Any person may file, maybe dependent or plaintiff or any person can file, or else a new person can file, whether a party to the suit or not, as long as the person filing the caveat has the right to appear before the court in regard to suit in a question. What are the benefits of caveat? So, so if I file the caveat before the 90 days, what is the benefit of it? A caveat safeguard the caveator's advantage. The caveat is now equipped to confront the suit or proceedings which are relied upon to be introduced by the opponent. No ex parte order must be gone against the caveator from this time forth, since the caveat escapes a variety of procedure. I can show you. So, what is the documents record to file a caveat? So, when we talk about caveat, these are the seven documents is record before filing any caveat. The first thing is index. I will show you the format how it looks like. The second thing is application to file caveat signed by advocate on record containing AOR. Advocate on record. Because before filing your Vakalatnama sign, this caveat signed AOR also it will be added. The third thing is cause title and cause and case number. The fourth one is name of the court appealed from. The fifth one is name of impugned judgment. So what is the judgment previously it was applied. So if you see fourth one, so previously you heard applied some court. So what is the court? And sixth one is designation of the authority. The authority designation. And the next one is court fees. For civil matters, it is applicable. And seventh, last but not least, Vakalatnama and Memo of appearance. Vakalatnama and Memo of appearance is very important for any of the petitions or cases. So these are the seven documents are completed record for filing a caveat. So this is the format you can see before here you can see the index, application to file caveat signed by advocate, title and case number. So now I'm giving the format only the first or second pages. Other things you can download the format from Google and for all the sub pages. Here you can see as mentioned here index, AOR, case number, caveat petition number, and sign and as well as address of the plaintiff and dependent. So both the it will looks like memorandum of caveat petition. Here you can see this is one of the sample. So memorandum of caveat petition. So which under the section 148A and order 52 civil procedure code. So here you can see already that something is ran in district court. Now it has been caveat has been filed in high court. Usually caveats are filed in high courts and supreme courts because already that somewhat the case is available that here you can see. So what is the caveator name and dependent uh, details, plaintiff details, and so who is going to be the address as a jurisdiction level, and who is going to add the caveator signature, and what is the date and what is the number. So so everything should be available here in caveat petition. Some of the other pages are available, but this is the major thing for the caveat level. So here you can see um, judgment, authority, and court fees, other things also available in caveat petition. So this is applicable in, mostly the things are applicable in civil procedure courts. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this, and we will connect with next video with some other new things. Thank you.